Hi, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for purchase is a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover V6 HSE. This vehicle is packed with features. Comes in a blue exterior with a black and beige interior. Huge panoramic sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's go ahead and come around to the back here. You can see our badging, Range Rover, and HSE and Land Rover. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. You can power adjust the seats up here as well in case you need a little more storage. Rear seats, rear climate control. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Another look at that huge sunroof. Let's take a look at the driver's side. Got our driver door controls, driver seat controls with memory seats, driver seat, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage currently at 29,950. A push button ignition. So you'll notice display functionality right here, as well as a heads-up display. A little tricky to see on the camera, but it actually reflects right on the windshield there, so you're able to see speed limit and your current speed as well. Touchscreen display here. You can see navigation, any radio or media, as well as your backup camera. Below that you'll find climate control, as well as various settings and vehicle configuration and whatnot. So that is our shifter. Cup holder, and various traction modes here depending on where you happen to be driving the vehicle. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get a more in-depth walkthrough of all the various features of this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.